The Kawasaki Ninja 400 replaces the Ninja 300 globally. But in India, it is sold alongside the latter. The new Ninja 400 is an all-new motorcycle though, complete with a new engine and design language.
Well, if you were waiting for the Ninja 300 to get a replacement, Kawasaki surprised us with an upgrade to the Ninja 300. This is the Ninja 400. It was launched in India earlier this year and it's a properly mental bike. It makes more power than the Ninja 300. It gets a bigger engine, a 400cc engine, and the Indian version specifically makes 48 bhp. That's 4 bhp more than the European version.
The design on the Ninja 400 is similar to its older siblings, and the motorcycle takes inspiration from the supercharged Ninja H2. The bike sports sharp-looking dual LED headlamps, and the large bodywork makes the Ninja 400 look substantially larger and wider than its predecessor. The semi-digital instrument cluster is the same unit as in the Ninja 650, lending it a premium touch. The Ninja 400 sports a new steel trellis frame, which is lighter and stiffer, while the wheelbase is shorter than the 300. The swing arm is longer, and the Ninja 400 also gets an assist and slipper clutch. The new Ninja 400 employs 41mm telescopic forks at the front and a gas-charged adjustable monoshock suspension at the rear. The bike uses disc brakes at either end with standard ABS. A low seat height of 786mm makes it quite accessible to riders of different heights and build.
The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is not exactly a cheap motorcycle. Well, the on-road price difference between this and the Z650 is about 30 to 40,000, which may not really feel justifiable. The Z650 makes a lot more power, gets a bigger engine also, but at the same time the Ninja 400 is slightly more feature rich. Well, it's definitely a full-fed motorcycle. It gets clip-on handlebars, it gets full LED headlamps, and that really gives it an edge over the naked Street Fighter.
The Kawasaki Ninja 400 does not have a direct rival in India, but competes with the likes of the KTM RC390, the Yamaha YZF R3, and even the Benelli 302R.